Hello children, welcome to K.R. Lakam Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, we have studied about the lesson of your subject EVS 10th lesson, the sky above us. In this lesson, we discussed about sun. Sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases, and sun gives heat, light, energy to the earth. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. And about moon also we studied. At night we can see the moon in the sky. We see different shapes of the moon on different nights. So every day moon will not be same. He will be having different shapes in different days. On some nights we cannot see the moon because that time it will be new moon day. So Amavasya iddaga ನಾವು moon ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. That Amavasya in English we will call it as new moon day. After that day we will get new moon. Okay, and the full moon day is known as Hunnime. And today let us learn about stars. PC, you know very well, in our KG section we learned a lot, or we sang many rhymes related to stars. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. So these all things we have sang many rhymes related to stars in the skies. So we can see or we can observe the stars in the sky. We see many stars shining in the sky at night. So daytime also stars will be there, but we cannot see that because of sunlight. Yes, so we can observe or we can see the stars at night. In the dark, stars can visible so easily. Stars shine and twinkle. These will twinkle. Stars will always twinkle. Some stars are bright and some are dim. Who will be very bright? Those will be nearest to us, and who will be dim? They will be too much far from us. Stars are actually very big, but they look tiny to use us because they are very far away. So stars are very big, but also they will looks like very small tiny things because they are very far from us. Yes, so if any person stood before us, we can see him easily. If he stood too far from us, so he will look like very small one. Yes, so we cannot see him properly. So it means that the object which is very near to us, we can see that very clearly. If the object is very far from us, we cannot see or observe that very properly. Yes, we cannot observe that. Like that, stars are very big, but these seems to be like very small because they are very far from us. Okay. The sun is also a star, but it appears much bigger than other stars as it is closer to us. Just now I told. So which star is very closer to us means that is sun. Sun is also one of the stars and it is very nearest to the earth. So that we can easily have the sunlight and the heat, everything from the sun. Okay. Very hot stars look white or blue, while cool stars look red or orange. They have given, do you know one amazing fact? Very hot stars look white or blue, but cool stars look red or orange. Tick the things you see in the sky at night. First one, stars. Yes, tick it. Table we cannot see in the sky. Night, wrong. Plant is also wrong. And night we cannot see the sun. Don't tick that. At the night we can see the birds. No. Sofa is also not. Moon we can see, so tick for don't you? Time to answer. Complete the following paragraph by filling the blanks. We see many stars shining in the sky at night. First one is N-I-G-H-T, night. Dash, shine and twinkle. Stars are very. Second one is stars. Shines and twinkle. Stars are very hot. Stars are very dash, but they look tiny. Stars are very big. Stars are actually very big. Okay. Fourth blank, third blank is big, but they look tiny to us because they are very far away. These are very far away. Last one is far unit. F-A-R, far. N-I-G-H-T, night. S-T-A-R, stars. B-I-G, big. F-A-R, far. So far means very, the distance between two objects is too long. Terms. Sun, the big yellow ball, hot ball of fire that we see during daytime in sky. Moon, the big white ball that we see in the sky at night. Now I know. The sky above us looks different during the day and at night. The sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon changes its shapes every night. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. Stars appear small to us because they are very far away. This is all related to now I know. After completion of this lesson, now we came to know about these all informations. Okay, let's one time I will read this lesson. You keep your finger on the book where I am reading and you too read with me. Okay, let's read and then we will solve exercise. Lesson number 10, the sky above us. Let us learn about sun, moon, stars. Remember, look at the picture and fill in the blanks. We see dash during the day. We see sun during the day. We see the moon and the stars at night. The sky above us looks different during the day and at night. During the day, we may see clouds, the sun, birds and aeroplanes in the sky. At night, we can see the moon and the stars. Sometimes after the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow consists of 7 colors. Are you keeping your finger on it where I am reading and you too read with me? Next, sun. The sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. What is giant meaning? It is very large and powerful. Let's go to time to answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, the sun rises in the east. Second, the sun is a yellow ball made up of hot gases. The sun gives us heat. Moon. At night, we can see the moon in the sky. We see different shapes of the moon on different nights. On some nights, we cannot see the moon at all. Time to answer. Write T for true and F for false for the following statements. First one, we see the moon in the sky during the day. We see the moon in the sky during the day. False. We see different shapes of the moon every night. True. We see the moon on every night. False. Every night we cannot see the moon. On new moon day we cannot see. Stars. We see many stars shining in the sky at night. Stars shine and twinkle. Some stars are bright and some are dim. Stars are actually very big, but they look tiny to us because they are very far away. The sun is also a star, but it appears much bigger than other stars as it is closer to us. Do you know? Very hot stars look white or blue, while cool stars look red or orange. Time to answer. We see many stars shining in the sky at night. Stars shine and twinkle. Stars are very big, but they look tiny to us because they are very far away. What is sun? The big yellow hot ball of fire that we see during daytime in sky. What is moon? The big white ball that we see in the sky at night. Now I know. The sky above us looks different during the day and at night. The sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon changes its shape every night. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. Stars appear small to us because they are very far away. Now I read this lesson. I hope you also read. And let us solve now the exercise. Let us practice. Okay? A. Pick the correct word. First one, the sun rises in the sun rises in the east or west. It rises in the east. So I pick on east. Second one, stars are very close to are far from us. Stars are very far from us. Third, the sun shines in the sky every day. The sun shines in the sky every. The sun shines in the sky every night or morning. So night or morning. Sun shines always in the morning. Fourth, the sun is a hot ball. Is a hot ball of gases or air. The sun is a hot ball of gases. First answer is shape every night? That is the moon. Okay. Next, third one. We see many dash shining in the sky at night. Stars. Answer is stars. First one is sun, moon and the stars. Next question. Guess my name. They are explaining or telling about one particular object. We should guess its name. Okay? First one, C. Guess my name. We twinkle at night. We are very far away. Those are stars. They will twinkle at night and very far from us. So those are stars. First one is star. Second, I can be seen at night. That is moon. I can be seen during the day. That is sun. Answer the following questions. In which direction does the sun rises? Write the question and answers. D. First question. In which direction does the sun rises? In east direction does east direction the sun rises. The sun rises in the east direction. Okay, this is the answer. Second one. What do we get from the sun? We get heat, light and energy. ENERGY, energy from the sun. From the sun. Third one. When do you see the moon and the stars? We see the moon and the stars at night. We see stars, moon and the stars at night. This is the answer. Next, thoughts. Why do you think clothes dry faster if kept out under the sun? Because sun is very hot, it gives sunlight. Because of sunlight and heat, the clothes will get dry very faster. Every morning, Sid sees the sun in front of his house. Tell the direction of Sid's house. Okay? This is all activities and your syllabus has completed, and tomorrow onwards I will have the revision of all the lessons. Okay? Thank you.